The end is near, and so I'll face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
I've lived, and I'm this fall. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption.
I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this, I did it my way.
And there are times I'm sure you're when I be told more than I can show.
What an it all when there was stopped.
I ate it up and spit it out.
I faced it all, and I stood tall.
And did it my way.
What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not.
To say that